Are you tired of your boring and drabby dull life because you have no car? Uh-huh. Then you need a car. Yay! But where do I go to get one? You go to the car store. Yeah. I'll go there right away. Yeah.
There he is. Hello, I'm back.
Where's the manager of this store? I need a car. Hello, I'm the manager of this store. Now you want a car, right?
You're ugly.
You're so mean.
I'm sorry. Oh well, how am I supposed to get a car now? Hey, there's another car sale.
You. Never mind.
You, do you sell cars? Yeah. Can I have one?
Do you have enough money?
Uh-huh. How much? 2 cents.
There we go.
And flip it sideways.
I want this one. Excellent choice. That's for the extra fat people. Hey! Sorry, I didn't mean that. Oopsie. Anyways, so where's that money?
2 cents, here you go.
Thank you. You enjoy your car now.
Yay! Can I drive it for a test run?
Sure, go to our professional test track. Get ready, and why don't you try going now?
Okay.
It didn't work. Well, why don't you try that ramp over there?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Go ahead, try it.